Hey guys, it's Prince with Rich Technology Group, and today I'm here at Poly's manufacturing plant, also known as PLAMEX, with Rodolfo Reyes. Rodolfo, thank you so much for being here today, and thank you for your time.
It's a pleasure, and thanks for visiting us today.
Yes, thank you for the tour. This has been amazing, just seeing how you guys make the products, ship them, and get them out the door. For my viewers, before we get into a few questions that I've got for you, could you tell me what your title is and what you actually do here at PLAMEX?
Well, my name is Rodolfo Reyes. I'm the Vice President of Manufacturing, leading this operation here in Tijuana. We are manufacturing headsets, video products, and phones, and pretty much up to 20 million units every year.
Wow, that's a lot of product. Before we get into some of the other questions that I've got, I want to talk about culture. I saw some things here during my tour, like I saw the gymnasium, the fitness center, the soccer field, all that. Can you tell me a little bit about the culture here and what a typical day for a worker here at the PLAMEX factory is like?
Well, you visit our site, went to the sports area. So what we are putting a lot of attention is to make sure that our people are happy and they want to stay here with us the whole career. Actually, we just had our wedding anniversary. We have annual weddings here in the site, in this facility.
People get married here.
People get married here. And this is part of the culture. I mean, it's an average of 40 people, 40 couples get married every single year here. So at least one of the couple is a HP employee. And we provide everything to the people so that they can get married on site. And just had our wedding anniversary. We had the mayor of Tijuana, of the city.
Wow.
Supporting, participating in this event. And the culture is pretty similar to HP. We share values. I mean, with the acquisition, of course, we are now a HP company. And what is very important is that the values are pretty similar. It's customer first, it's innovation, accountability, integrity, trust, teamwork. So sharing the values is pretty much something where when you come here and you can go to any site or any HP facility, you will see that the culture is pretty similar. And what we do for the people here is, in addition, is to promote. We have family events. We also have something like the calendars. We put a lot of attention in the environment, and we invite the kids to draw something related to sustainability, take care of protect the environment, etc. And those are submitted for a contest. Ended up with one drawing per month, and we celebrate that with the kids and have a calendar. And another activity that we promote here is that participation. I mean, people submit ideas, and the ideas have recognition. So there is a lot of celebration. We recognize every week the best assembly lines, the best performers, with a big, let's say, announcement, special meal, and so on and so forth. So it's great. I mean, we had 6 years in a row, a great place to work in Mexico.
Wow.
We're recognized 6 years in a row, which is a very, let's say, a great achievement. And with the COVID situation, we were also awarded by the Secretary of Economy in Mexico as an exceptional company for the way that we protected our employees during the COVID times, and also the way to adapt and the strategy that promoted to keep the business running while protecting our people.
Wow. You mentioned in your conversation just now a little bit about HP. Everybody knows about the struggles that Poly had a couple of years ago with the back orders and things like that. I know for a fact, and we've even talked about it on our YouTube channel, that as of now, the back order issue is pretty much no more. As a matter of fact, I've got distributors that I've talked to regularly and work with that say, Prince, now we have too much Poly. We went from having a hard time getting it to it's too much. Can you speak a little bit on how HP's acquisition of Poly helped enhance that, and what types of logistics or measures were taken that now have made the products easier to get and there's more Poly than ever going out?
Well, HP is more than 30 times bigger than Poly, and that gives we have a leverage. When going with the suppliers and when going to service providers, a better opportunity to, first is give us some priority, and on the other hand, also better prices. So with now being under HP umbrella, our opportunity is bright, right?
Yeah.
And that's have allowed us to overcome the challenges that we were facing, the supply chain challenges we were facing during COVID times. So now we are pretty much on the other side when we have everything ready, available, so we can provide the customer to our customers the product that they are asking for.
Wow, thank you for that. Thank you for that. Final question that I have. What products or anything new is there on the horizon at Poly that you're at liberty to speak of or would you like to speak on? That's being manufactured specifically here or will be manufactured specifically here in the future.
Yeah, our product portfolio, it's headsets, it's phones and video. And I'm happy to share that we introduced our first video products here in Tijuana. We just started video manufacturing last December, and we have capability. We built a clean room so that we can have everything available to run video products. With a HP acquisition, now we have the opportunity to also to extend our portfolio with a HP brand, and I'm happy also to announce that eventually in August we're gonna go for mass production with a HyperX branded products, and that is gaming headsets, which is gonna allow us to increase our capacity utilization, and on the other hand, to be able to provide product for Americas on a timely basis.
Wow, wow. Well, thank you so much for your time today. I know you're a pretty busy person. I mean, this plant, it's huge. It's like hundreds or thousands of employees. So I just want to thank you for having me here for the tour today, and also thank you personally for the time and for the interview.
No, it has been a pleasure, and it's a great company and it's a great product. So first and quality.
Thank you so much again. Take care.
Yeah, thank you very much.